Hey guys, this is Justin Barad. I am the COO and co-founder of ChubbyButtons. We are the world's first wearable Bluetooth remote for action sports. Here's the box. I'm here to talk about SWYM, which is the team that helped us make this baby tick. Now, I had recently talked to them about how much I enjoyed working with them, and I really wanted to help them out, with a video to help promote who they are and what they're about. And I had thought maybe I was going to write a script or something like that, but I just decided to turn on the camera because it's so easy to talk about them, because they've been so incredible to work with. And we worked with other firms for the first version of this product, which we don't sell anymore. And we asked them to do certain things, make these functions work. And they tried and they did, but the problem was that, they didn't really have a connection with why they were doing this. Why create a firmware that's really important and really fluid and intuitive? Because the big problem when you're developing a Bluetooth remote is that if you look at other reviews on the internet, there's all these issues with connectivity and reliability. You can get the function done, but if it doesn't have that human touch, where it's just easy to use, then people forget about it. You only have a couple of seconds to really impress someone. And when we found SWYM, I think I found them through Upwork, and explained to them what I wanted to do. Not only did they understand exactly what the initiatives were, but we had asked for certain functions from previous companies. They were all like, nope, not going to happen. Can't make this happen. Never in a million years. And SWYM was like, yeah, we can do it. So it was no brainer. And it wasn't just hot air. They had written out a whole statement of work, line by line, telling me exactly how it's going to work and what we're going to do. And indubitably, there's some hurdles along the way when you're working on something like this, but we were in communication the entire time. If something was up, we'd talk about it on the phone and we'd figure it out together. And even though they weren't full-time employees and we were paying them as freelancers, it really felt like they were sitting right next to me at the helm. This thing is really, really rock solid. I mean, it has 5 simple functions: play, back, track forward, track back, volume up, volume down, and it summons your assistant on your phone. But there's just so much more behind what they've done, and really, it's just a dream working with these guys. So again, there's really no point in trying to write anything out, because it's just so easy to talk about the genius of SWYM. So anyway, if you need people to develop firmware for you, I highly recommend them. Thanks a lot.